Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be discussing this recent crypto Bitcoin crash. Everybody's panicking right now. They're saying it's over. The Fed is going to now not cut interest rates. There is so much negativity into the markets, which is making believe to do the opposite always. In this video, I'm going to show you why I am not concerned at all and what actually I'm going to do. I'm going to be buying if we're going to crash even more. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button because we post one video about crypto trading every single day. And this video is brought to you by our partner, Blofin Exchange, guys. Non-KYC, great platform to trade. If you want to join us, we have a discount. You deposit some money, they're going to give you some money to trade. Link in the description as well. Now, guys, Bitcoin at the moment is situating around $100,400. We basically dropped from here at $105,000. Well, whenever everybody was wondering, oh, are we going to go to 120K? Are we going to go to 150K? And blah, blah, blah. I will say in my VIP group, and I'm going to show you over here. I don't want to show you now the trading results. Don't look for this, but I want to show you exactly what I said. Bitcoin analysis, everything written over here, and I post this on the 25th of January. Many orders around 110.11 and some order at 99.100, considering long or shorting at these extremes. And I wrote everything over here. My thought is it clearly obvious that manipulating the price down, which is especially seen whenever there is a straight down dip like this yesterday. And basically, everything was written over here. So if you want to really understand how the market works and not to be completely influenced by those crazy news, that I'm going to show you today, which are quite funny, guys, the VIP group is the way to go. Link in the description if you want to join us. But anyway, let's have a look right now what's happening over here with BTC. I said so many times, short term, that's what I say all the time. We were probably going to retest this area over here, sitting around $97,000 to $98,000. Lots of people didn't believe me. They were saying, "No, Andrea, we're gonna go now to 160K, 200K, 300K," and yet we're going down. So basically, why should I be concerned that BTC is basically around this area, have broken this level, important level of resistance, is probably going to go down now to retest this area over here, and then is going to go and do something like this, in my opinion. Why should I be concerned right now? It's very difficult to be concerned at the moment, but what I can say is that, and I find it quite funny, the reason why we are dipping, first of all, is because of DeepSeek. DeepSeek is like this new AI, open AI source like ChatGPT, and I say right now is invented by the Chinese, and they're saying that this is going to take over everything about AI, and therefore the market is tanking. Um, Finance Lot is saying that this could be actually the yen carry trade 2.0 collapsing. Again, the Bank of Japan increased interest rate, and therefore all these people borrowing money from the Japanese yen had to sell. And what is quite funny is that Friday nothing happened, and then Monday everything happens because of DeepSeek. Um, Here again about DeepSeek. Second of all, the other reason is because Trump is imposing sanction to Colombia, to the president of Colombia, and that's why the market went down, because he sent these illegal migrants back to Colombia. The president got angry, so not put sanction and blah blah blah. So all of this basically it's the reason why we saw Bitcoin going down. But guys, the main reason is that there is a group of people called market makers, whales institutions, I don't know how you want to call it, who they like to play with people. And I'm going to show you this again. How come we already thinking about we were going down to 99 to 100,000, whereas everybody was so convinced that we were going higher? Well, because again, it's not about this news, guys. It's about those market makers deciding the way they want to pump or dump the market. But what I'm actually very happy is the negativity I can see right now. Negativity that everybody's thinking now. There is not going to be any Altseason. Everybody's saying there will be any Altseason, not in 2025 because too many projects, all of that. And then you see things like, for example, XRP going up like crazy, XLM, ADA going like 3 or 4x, but of course it won't be any Altseason. Let's talk about in a few months, and then we see if there is no Altseason. But now let's talk about short term what can be happening with BTC. Guys, the situation is very, very simple. This is an area to long, in my opinion. Very good area to long, and this is not financial advice, but I would say that probably what they might try to do from here, they might try to push the market here today at the New York opening session, because the stock market is going to open in red because of this news about the DeepSeek. I don't know how it's calling. So what we could see Bitcoin going down even more, form a potential, I would say, a corrective wave. So basically, whenever you have a corrective wave, it's called A, which is number one. Then you have B, which is like a retracement, and then you have C, which is like the last wave of correction. What I'm actually thinking is that we could be seeing a wave today, maybe down to 98, 99K. Then we're going to see a pullback up to this area, maybe 103, 104,000. And then we could be seeing a C wave if the Fed decides to, of course, pause interest rates. And of course, all of this is going to be done in a great manipulation scheme, of course. And then we can also have a look what's happening right now, more like, outside this, I would say, scary situation. So I showed you before, Bitcoin basically retesting this area here. You can go down to 90, let's say before, 97, 98,000, then have a rebound again. Probably can do like a ABC, down again to 95 and then up again. That's what I'm expecting right now, because very good news about what's happening in the US. And second of all, people asking me about Altseason. There is no Altseason, won't be any Altseason, and the chart look like this. Okay. As I showed you before so many times, I said what we could be seeing with altcoins could be something like this. I'm going to go and cancel this so you can see a little bit better. We could be seeing something like that. Okay. Otherwise, if this is not going to work, we could be seeing this and then up this way. That's what I believe right now. I believe that this is still like a bull flag. I believe that this is basically noise, what's happening right now with the markets. I don't see any valid reason to really say, to ascertain why the crypto market is tanking down. And I think that probably is going to be done on purpose then to pump later. I'm more than happy to be wrong, but that's what I'm expecting right now. Let's also have a look at the DXY as well. DXY dollar currency index, as I said before, negative correlation with BTC. This thing is about probably to go and form maybe one more top to the upside. But in the grand scheme of things, in the next few months, if the Fed is going to start to cut interest rates as well, we should be seeing the DXY to continue to go down this way. So maybe tonight, because of the situation with the deep seeker, big seeker, I don't know how you want to call it, we might see maybe one more like that. Okay, so I'm going to show you you can see very well, like, here is forming like an ascending channel, or actually probably broke the ascending channel, but doesn't matter. We could be seeing maybe something like that. Everybody's going to convince we're going to go higher. And then it's probably going to roll over in the next few months. As well, the Nasdaq, again, broke from here. Tonight, we could be seeing the Nasdaq going down. Everybody getting super scared. The deep seeker, Trump doing the sanction, and then boom, up again. So we just had to basically climb the wall of worry. The last thing I want to show you as well, the US 10 years Treasury yield, inverted correlation with BTC as well, forming a potential head and shoulder from here. So 1, 2, 3. And what we should be seeing from here is going to be more downside to come. And of course, this is going to come. It's going to be very good for Bitcoin and crypto. So, guys, that's it for me today. I just want like a quick update just to show you that lots of people are getting super bearish. You think this is the end of the world? To be honest, I'm quite bullish. Lots of people ask me as well, have I bought my Bitcoin? I saw so many times I sold 80% of my stack of BTC. Have I bought any altcoins yet? No, and I'm probably going to wait if Bitcoin is going to go down to maybe 90 from here. If it doesn't go to 90, I don't care. But that's the way I operate. I operate with safety. And I'm basically want to see, what's going to be happening right now. But otherwise, guys, I really wish you an incredible day ahead of you. Be careful with this. Of course, if you want to know proper buy levels, guys, the VIP group is the way to go. But otherwise, I wish you a great day, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Take care and see you soon.